Welcome back to MotorRev 27 today for the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally. And let's take a look.
If you think the standard Tenere 700 is already capable, the 2026 Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally takes that formula and pushes it closer to true Dakar territory. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. This is Yamaha sharpening the blade. At the core, you still get the legendary 689 cubic centimeter CP2 parallel twin engine. It's not about chasing crazy horsepower numbers. It's about usable torque, strong mid-range pull, and predictable throttle response. Whether you're navigating rocky climbs or powering through sand, the engine delivers smooth yet aggressive performance that feels alive under you. But hey race, what you really need to know, the Rally version is built for serious off-road riders. It comes equipped with long-travel fully adjustable KYB suspension, giving you better control and confidence when the terrain gets rough. The increased ground clearance allows you to tackle deep ruts, rocks, and uneven trails without hesitation. The suspension setup alone already separates it from the standard model. The Rally-style one-piece seat is designed for mobility. You can shift your body weight freely when standing or attacking corners off-road. The high front fender, reinforced aluminum skid plate, and gold-spoked wheels aren't just for looks. They're functional components built to survive punishment. Up front, the 6.3-inch TFT display features a dedicated raid theme, giving you clear and essential information while riding in demanding conditions. Electronic aids like switchable ABS and traction control remain simple and rider-focused. Yamaha keeps it minimal, no unnecessary complexity, just what you need. Seat height? Tall. Around 910 millimeters. This is not a beginner-friendly commuter. It demands confidence and skill. Wet weight sits around the 200 kilogram mark, which means it's still relatively light for a middleweight adventure machine. But make no mistake, this is a serious bike. And that's the key point. The 2026 Tenere 700 Rally is not built for luxury touring. It's not packed with excessive electronics. It's built for riders who want durability, mechanical purity, and real off-road capability. If your idea of adventure involves dirt, sand, rocks, and standing on the pegs more than sitting comfortably on asphalt, this is the version you need to know. The question isn't whether it looks ready for Dakar. The question is, are you?